Kanino bola pa rin?
Red ball.
Red. Red. Blue.
Hello. Red ball. Number 5. Number 5. The shot. No good. Rebound by number 26. Number 26. Number 26 for 3. No good. Number 69. Number 69 for 3. No good again. Number 69 again. Number 69 is good. Number 26 ang aking no good. Rebound by number 69.
Yes!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 26. Number 20 the jumper. No good. Rebound by number 11. Rep, anong ato ni Rep? Hanapin natin, talikod kayo yung dalawa.
Double power or double power? Number
26. Okay, double foul. 26 and number 4. Ay, dito yung oras, oh. Sino yung oras, oh? Violation na ba? Oh, makakalo.
Hindi, violation naman talaga kami eh.
Sino yun? Yellow ball tayo daw.
Hindi yung par. Player yun. Tayo magsusunod dito.
Shoutout Wilfredo, Pukuda.
9 seconds, 9 seconds to shoot.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 26, jumper. No good. Rebound by number. Kanino mong bola rin? Yellow ball tayo. Yellow ball. Amot sa ulo kahit ano po. Number 20, the jumper. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, pass to number 4. Number 4, open for 3. No. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, pass to number 11. 3. Number 26, open for 3. Good. 44-41 in favor of red team. Number 4, pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5, bumagwelo ng Tico. Number 5, pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5, bumuelo. Wala. Naribod din number 20. Number 26, taking the shot. Number 26, jumper. It's good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng red team. Number 69. Number 69, attacking the paint. Number 69, number 69, number 5, number 5, wala pa din, naribot pa din number 5, number 5 pa din, naribot din number 69, 69, the easy shot is good, balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng red team, number 26 for 3, good, substitution, 2 points na pala pa ito, 2 points, meron pang isang kalamangan ng red team. Number 5, pass to number 27, 69, 59, attacking, 69, blocked by number 20, 2 up din na number 69, blocked by number 7 again, it's good. Number 7, pass to number 11, open for 3, shooting. Number 20 with the steal. Number 20, number 11 again, pinasok sa ilalim, pinigay ni number 20, nakuha ulit ni number 11, number 11 pinasok ka number 7, number 7, good job, it's good.
Oy, ano yung score, Dre? Sakto ba? Lamang na dilaw.
Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Open for 3. Shorty. Yellow. Yellow ball. Number 11 pass to number 7. Number 7, picking up pass. Still by number 26. Number 26, nice one. Number 9, creating the 3. Pass to number 69, taking the pass. No good. Remove by number 27, stealing. Number 7. Number 7, looking for a pass. Number 7, attacking. Number 7, binombo yung malaki. Number 7, pinasa ka number 20, pinagagawin number 26. Number 24, no good. Oh! Nagkahila kayo sa kakampi. Number 4, yumuyo ko, parang si Archie. Alam mo ah, number 7 pass na number 11. Number 11, pass to number 24. Shoot! Di ba by number 9 again? Number 9, depending by number 11. Number 9, number 9, number 9. Pass to steal by red ball. Number 9, 4-3 again! Yumuyo ko talaga. Parang Archie, nabawag. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. 4. Number 7. 2-3. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pero may foul si number 9. Number 9. Third personal foul.
May timeout pa ba rin?
Time out! Time out!
Timeout ba, rep?
Time out! Red team!
Isa lang timeout, sir. Sa fourth quarter,
Bali, wala
tig-dalawa.
na silang timeout ngayong third quarter. Wala nang timeout.
Sige, okay. Ay, pag-blatter ba natin yan? Gag.
First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Paipak naman ako ng date ni Michael. Second free throw is good.
Kailan, bigay kailan. Busy there, no? Dalawang ipak.
Number 9, pass to number 26. Jumper, no good. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 11. Open for 3. Naghahanap na mapasahan, pero aiming number 26. Yellow ball.
Yes.
Number 7, attacking. Step back. Jumper, no good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69. For 3, number 9. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, looking for a pass. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7, attacking.
Yes.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 20 with the follow-up. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Open. Predict na. Wala. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. Stay by number 26. Number 9. Number 9. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 69. Stay by number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Spin move. Number 7 sa gitna. What a move by number 7. Substitution. Pasok ang papasok mo sa labas. Number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 4. Number 4 sa gitna. It's good. Nakataas na ito. Number 7. Number 7. Attacking. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 20. Jumper. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Crossing over. Taking the jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 9. Number 9 again. Pass to number 26. Jumper. No good. Rebound again by number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 9. Open for 2. No good. Yellow ball. Score 52 all. In favor of 52. Number 7. Pass number 11. Number 11 to 20. Oh, good. Favor by number 26. Number 26, jumper short. Ay, sige dyan, masaya yan mga atabs. Substitution. Pasok na pa sa lalabas. Yellow ball. Number 20. Number 20. So number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Favorite shot. No. Rebound by number 20. Rebound by number 20 again. Number 20.
Nice one! Lugi! Nang-headback!
Number 5. Second personal foul. Nakakayulo. First free throw is good, but
Here comes. Here comes.
number 20 second shot, good again.
Here comes.
Change flavor namang
Wait lang, mamaya.
dalawa. Number 5, naging napapatangan ng screen. Number 5 to Mirai is good. Moving yun kay number 5. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7, step back. Is good. Side step pala. Number 31, pass to number 5. Number 4. 2 seconds. Basket. Number 4, flexing his muscle. Counted. Number 20, foul. Basket counted. Number 20,
Lalag naman eh.
first personal foul. Bonus shot. Wala na tayong oras sa third quarter. Alis na kayo. Wala na tayong oras. Bonus shot na lang. Basket.
Nag-double foul kanina eh. Sa dilaw na punta yung bola.